The Art of Disappearing, a path to personal transformation. Are you ready to unleash your true potential? It's time to disappear. Disappearing isn't about running away. It's about stepping back to leap forward. Think of it as pressing the reset button on your life. This is your opportunity to become the person you've always dreamed of being. Transformation doesn't happen in the spotlight. It happens in the shadows. When you step away from the noise, you can hear your inner voice. By disappearing, you create space for growth. You give yourself room to breathe, to think, to evolve. Stepping back isn't easy. It requires courage. It means leaving your comfort zone. Discomfort is where the magic happens. Are you ready to take the leap? To disappear and emerge as the best version of yourself? Let's dive in and explore how to make this transformation a reality. Mastering the power of silence and privacy. In a world that never stops talking, silence is your superpower. Learn to control your speech. Every word you speak is energy spent. When you talk less, you listen more. You observe, you learn. The world reveals its secrets to those who are quiet enough to hear them. Privacy is your shield. It protects your dreams from the negativity of others. When you share your goals, you invite opinions. Sometimes these opinions can derail you. Keep your goals close to your chest. Let them be your secret fuel, your private motivation. Control your digital footprint. Be mindful of what you share online. Every post, every like, every comment is a breadcrumb, but your journey of transformation is yours alone. Guard it fiercely. Silence and privacy create a cocoon, a safe space for your metamorphosis. Embrace the power of silence and privacy. They are your tools for transformation. Valuing your own voice, the key to self-discovery. Your opinion is the only one that truly matters. The world is full of noise, of people telling you who to be, what to do, how to live. But only you know what's best for you. Trust your gut. Listen to your inner voice. It's the compass that will guide you to your true self. Stop seeking validation from others. Their approval is fleeting. True fulfillment comes from within, from knowing that you're living in alignment with your values. When you value your own opinion, you become unshakable. Criticism bounces off you. Praise doesn't inflate you. Developing self-trust is a journey. It takes time. It takes practice. Start small. Make decisions without consulting others. With each decision, you'll grow more confident. Be unapologetically you. Embracing the struggle growth in solitude. Struggle is not your enemy, it's your teacher, your trainer. When you face challenges alone, you discover your true strength. You develop resilience, grit. In solitude, there's no one to complain to, no one to make excuses to. It's just you and the challenge. This is where real growth happens, where you push past your limits, where you discover what you're truly capable of. Embrace these moments. They're shaping you into the person you're meant to be. Keep your struggles private, not because you're ashamed, but because they're sacred. When you share your struggles, you invite pity. But when you face them alone, you tap into your inner resources. You become your own hero. Remember, the butterfly doesn't reveal itself until its transformation is complete. It struggles in silence within its cocoon. Be like the butterfly. When you finally emerge, the world will be amazed at your metamorphosis. Setting clear targets, the roadmap to your new self. Clarity is power. Without clear targets, you're just wandering. Set specific goals for your transformation. What do you want to achieve? Who do you want to become? Be detailed. Be bold. Dream big. Your goals are the blueprint for your new self. They guide your actions, your decisions. Write down your goals. Make them vivid, specific, measurable. Put a deadline on them. This creates urgency. It lights a fire under you. It turns your dreams into plans, your plans into action, your action into results. Don't just set goals. Obsess over them. Review your goals daily. This constant focus programs your subconscious. Be flexible in your methods, but rigid in your goals. The path to transformation is rarely straight. Stay focused. Stay committed. Your transformation depends on it. Reprogramming your mind. Finding joy in the shadows. Working in the shadows requires a mental shift. It's not about hiding, it's about focusing. Learn to find joy in this process, in the quiet moments of growth, in the small victories that no one else sees. These are the moments that shape you. Embrace solitude as a gift. It's not loneliness, it's freedom. Freedom from distractions, from expectations. In solitude, you can hear your thoughts. You can connect with your true self. You can work on your transformation without interruption. Learn to cherish these moments. Reframe your perspective on recognition. The need for external validation is a chain. Break free from it. Find satisfaction in your own progress. The joy is in the process. Let it transform you from the inside out.